Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Okay, the first introduce myself. My name is Dianopita. I'm from English Education Department. Now I will presentation about reading factual text. On this presentation, I bring the discussion text. Okay. Before we continue to our material, I will tell you about types of text. There are literary and factual. What is the literary? The literary made up for entertainment and creativity, but if the factual is the real and profitable about facts or opinions. And then we know if the text has two types. There are literary and factual. Okay, what is the factual text? Factual text inform the reader about a particular subject. They should give useful information and focus on facts. Example of factual text are news report, interview, receipts, record of history, instruction, facts, etc. That is the example from the factual text. Okay, why is factual text important? Factual text inform, instruct, or pursued by giving facts and information. Literary text entertain or elicit an emotional response by using language to create mental image. And then, okay, now I will tell you about the discussion text. What is the discussion text? Discussion text is a text which presents a problematic discourse. It has the purpose. The purpose of the text is to present information and argument from different viewpoints. Okay. And then that is the generic structure of discussion text. Here there are four generic structure of discussion text. The first, the statement of issue. The second, the arguments for. The third, the argument against. And the last is conclusion. If we want to make the discussion text, we must have the part of generic structure. There is the issue, there is the argument for, the argument against, and the conclusion about the text. Okay, what is the statement of issue? The statement of issue, stating the issue which is to discussion. And then we must know what the issue we want make the discussion with our friend, or maybe with our teacher, or with our partner. And then here I have the example from the discussion text. The example, the advantage and disadvantage of fast food. Do you know fast food? Such as nugget, and all the food is there in the modern era. That is the fast food, or we may call the junk food. Okay. Here the example about the discussion text. I take the advantage and disadvantage of fast food. I think we all has know what the fast food. Okay. Here from the text here, there is the issue, there is the arguments for, the argument against, and the recommendation. Recommendation or the conclusion about the discussion text. Okay. The issue, I read the issue. Nowadays, people are being busy with their job. They compete against time to complete all the works. This fast life makes them love everything which is also fast and instant. It is applied in their eating habit. They prefer the foods that are prepared and served quickly. rather than the healthy food, which needs long time to serve. That food is called as fast food or junk food. Many types of foods like perfectly become part of their lifestyle because it does not require a long time. Okay, that is the issue about the junk food. Okay, here there is the arguments for. The argument for the most fast food obvious advantage there is thus food can save time better in this very quick of life. There is no better option for food than fast food. To touch, there are so many people who recommend healthy food when someone come home with hunger them. They do not have time to go to kitchen or shopping to supermarket just to get a variety of healthy food. In this arguments for, there is the advantage about the fast food, and the argument against it is also appropriate to have some disadvantage for its consumer. The largest disadvantage of fast food is because this contain a lot of fat, sugar, oil, calories, and addictive substance. The process of frying also makes it becomes unhealthy food. The frying process can destroy most of the essential nutrients inside the food itself. Eat fast food, it consumed constantly, it will cause very dangerous disease including heart disease, stroke, obesity, and many more. Okay. Okay, here from the discussion text from the issue, there is the arguments for and the argument against. The arguments for is contained about the advantage of fast food, and the arguments against is contained about the disadvantage of fast food. And then here's the recommendation or conclusion about that text or about the discussion text about fast food. Or about that from that issue, we must have the recommendation or conclusion. Okay, from the short discussion above, it can be concluded that fast food has its advantage and disadvantage for its consumer. It is considered it can save time and money. Besides that, it is also considered as a cause of health problem and loosening of family relationship. Therefore, we must be smart in choosing a healthy lifestyle for us. Okay, that is the recommendation or the conclusion about that issue, about the fast food. And then if we want to make the discussion text, we must have the issue, we must have the arguments for or the argument against, and the recommendation. And the important, we must have a good issue. Okay guys, that is my presentation about the discussion text. Okay, please let's practice. The first, what is the discussion text? The second, what is the purpose of discussion text? The third is the generic structure of the discussion text is, and the last, what the advantage and disadvantage from the fast food. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your attention, for your watching my presentation. Okay, and the last from me, I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.